Hello, my name is Gabriel. On this channel I'm helping with Ascension. In this video I want to tell you how to grow your hair back and about how to fix your snoring in the case you have problems. So first of all you need to know that your body will let go what it cannot feed or what it doesn't use. If you put your hand, if you bind your hand up, yeah, and you don't use it for a while, your body will build down your muscles and your arm because it doesn't use it. This is how it's happening in with your hair as well. What I want to say that your body has an intelligence and it will act according to your biochemical state. So if you don't have enough energy, people who have lots of energy, their nails grow fast. So if your body starts to lose hair, can be because you don't have enough nutrients, you don't eat what's good for your body. You might eat a lot, but not what your body needs. Your body needs minerals and vitamins and enzymes. Yeah, that's why the vegetarian diet is the best diet because it has a genetic variety. It has lots of fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. And in this, you have everything. If you eat only meat with bread, eggs with bread, pasta with bread and meat, that's not a complete. It's not good for your body. You might feel full, you might not be hungry, but your body needs magnesium and calcium and vitamin C and E and this and stuff like this. So if you don't eat right, if you use supplements, buy supplements, super greens, yeah. And if you want to know if you have autoimmune problems, it's because you yourself you're auto guilting yourself. You say you're guilty about something. You say negative stuff about yourself. That's from where the autoimmune, auto guilting, auto putting yourself out, saying some stuff about you. That's attacking yourself. When you yourself attack yourself, your immune system attacks you. Always see your positive side as well. I'm good enough. I'm well enough. That's the positive thinking. I can do better. I will do better. I want to be loving. Use positive language to yourself. Use positive, progressive language onto yourself, onto everybody. So don't blame yourself, first of all. If you blame yourself, your autoimmune system starts to eat you. To fix this, you can eat mushrooms. Mushrooms has a substance which fixes your autoimmune system problem. All right? So back to the nutrients now. You need a lot of nutrients, so your body, because your body will give the nutrients first to your heart, to your spleen, to your liver, to your eyes, to your nervous system, and then it goes into other places. And if you don't have enough nutrients, your hair will be gone, because why would your body feed your hair, or why would your body grow hair when it doesn't have enough? Your best friends, if you want to grow your hair back, your best friends are onions and stinging nettle. Take an onion, rub it down, take the pasta, put it on your head. It might sting. In 2-3 weeks, your hair starts to grow. Do massage your head with onions. The stinging needle. You go collect the stinging needle, take a glove. Once per week you should eat it, like the mushrooms that I was saying with the autoimmune system. Once per week you need to eat mushrooms so that the mushrooms regulate the autoimmune system. Now, if you think about how to apply stinging nettle to your life, buy stinging nettle poster, buy stinging nettle pillow, make a onion deodorant, doesn't matter how, onion and stinging nettle will be the best friends when you want to grow your hair back. Put it on your head, put it in your stomach, doesn't matter what you do, you always use onion and stinging nettle to grow your hair, or you can use these plants to grow your hair back. Use a lot of it. When you cook the stinging nettle, cook it, take the water that you can spray, buy a little spray, put that water from what you boil the stinging. So when you boil the water, put the stinging nettle in 5 minutes. Then take that water down, the stinging nettle put into the blender, and make a soup. Put a little bit of garlic in oil, and you have a very good stinging nettle soup. It's very good. With a little bit of coconut, how is that called? Coconut cream. It's a very good food. You will not want to eat something else after that because it's very nutritious. Green, it's nutritious, it's very healthy. Lots of magnesium, lots of zinc, lots of copper, lots of stinging nettle. It's very, very nutritious. All right? Best diet is the vegetarian diet. Now, if you are snoring and just about sleep something, if you hear people who want to take sleeping pills, or valeriana or lavender is very good for sleeping, but before you take this stuff, when it comes to sleep, you have to ask yourself, are you tired? Because if you're tired, you will sleep. You don't need nothing else. And the question is, why are you not tired? You're sitting all day, you do nothing, and then you are not tired. Then you don't sleep well. Duh. I mean, you will see this by your grandma maybe. She cannot sleep. Is grandma tired, or is grandma sitting all day and just looking at her eyes and nothing is... Grandma should go and do something so that she gets tired. When you are tired, you will sleep. You don't need nothing else. You don't need pillows, and you don't need lavender, and you don't need nothing. So if you snore, could be because your head placement is not good. Watch the pillows, how you put your pillows, so that you're comfortable. And if your throat is like this, but you are fat now, normally you would have so much place where you pull in air. But if you're fat, you have only this much. So of course then you try to pull, you try to take air because you need oxygen when you sleep, and then you don't have enough place, and then you snore. Of course, because your body wants to pull the air in, but if it's just like this, air cannot go in. So give the fat down. You don't need fat. You're not a Foca, and you are not an Eskimo. And if you want to know something, the Eskimos, they have the shortest lifespan. They eat only meat, and they live the shortest lifespan. Those who are vegan, vegetarian, they have the longest lifespan. That's why Greeks and the people in Japan live very long lives. Why? Because they have a very good diet, fresh diet. They eat cheese with salads, fresh olive oil, olives, fresh, and they live long. So people who eat a lot of meat, they don't have a long life. So don't think that meat is the human's food. That's not food. Because if you eat only bread and meat, I told you, there's not enough nutrients in there, and your hair falls down, you get fat, and then you can get cancer and all kind of problems, cortisol, stress. And meat is not the solution for the human diet. Fruits and vegetables are. So, if you want to start a detox, let's say you want to lose weight and you want to change your diet, the best place to start with would be an apple cider vinegar with honey and water. You drink that every day. You start your detox. You can do with lemons as well. Take a lemon, eat the whole lemon, honey, water, eat it all every morning or in the afternoon, in the evening, doesn't matter. Start the process of cleaning. Apples are very good when you want to detox. Apples have a stuff in them which is like saponin, which is a substance that takes the dirt out of your body. So apples are number one fruit on this planet. We take apples for granted because there are so many apples, so many variety, and we think that only what's rare is very good. It's not like that. Apples are the number one fruit on this planet as health for a human. Apples. So that when you want to start your detox or in changing your diet, the question is, how many days can you eat only apples? Or how many days can you eat just watermelon? How many days can you eat just grapes? And just eat that. Just eat grapes, just apples, or just watermelon, or find the fruit that you want to eat and wash your body out like that. Then eat only seeds and nuts and vegetables cooked. Yeah? Good diet is a vegan diet. Eat cheese, but don't eat eggs. Eggs are too fatty, attack your thyroid, and you don't know it's cold, it's hot, you're hungry, you're not hungry, because you balance, your hormonal balance, yeah, it's attacked. Eggs attack your thyroid. So, detox if you snore, yeah, and lose weight. Second thing, if your cavities are coagulated, take water, put some Himalayan salt or some black salt or some good salt, not this white powder, flourless, pearl white salt. That's not a good salt. Take some dirty salt where you see the black things in the salt. That's a good salt. That black stuff is very, very nutritious, very, very healthy. It's not dirt, it's good stuff, good kind of a dirt. And put a little bit of water in a little glass and put some salt in it. Mix it together until the salt dissolves. Then, like you saw in the movies, the people who snort up cocaine, yeah, put that water put the water into a little spoon and snort it up. Don't worry, don't be childish, it will go in, you will not suffocate, you will not die, it will go in, you will cough up and you will not like it, it should go on till the back. But for some people, when that water goes in, they hear and then the mucus starts to flow, and that's what you want to get out, because you need to breathe and when you want to solve the problem of snoring. Breathe air, do daily breathing exercises. In the stomach, lots of air is needed to make this function. Lots of energy is needed to make this function. 25% of what you eat goes into here. Your brain eats up stuff. And it likes oxygen, and magnesium is the favorite food of your brain, and vitamin C is the favorite food of your heart. Okay? If you have questions, look me up, yeah, on Facebook. My name is Topan Gabriel. I can help you with your health if you want. All right. Good luck and take care.